We're at Mount Gartner. Look up, look way, and there's the top of the ski lift. All right, me and Katie and William were out today here doing some skiing. We're just gonna go up to the top of the mountain here, Mount Gartner that is. And Katie's just waiting to go up the ski lift, and I wanted to get some video of this so you can actually see the whole deal. So I'm just coming up to the top of the hill here. It's a bit of a climb. There she is way down there. So we're gonna get her going here. All right, here we go. Now, there's a little block that you might be able to see in the video that's going down the hill. It's almost at the bottom. The uphill J-bar's turned off right now, or taken off, so it's just coming up past me right now. But it's gonna go around. And soon enough, Katie's gonna get picked up and she'll be on her way. Here she comes. Here she comes. Ski lift's working its way. Yeah. Machine's operating, doing its thing. Yeah, she made it up the little slope there. Up she comes up the hill. Let's get ready to turn it off here.
This way, this way. Ah!
Oh yeah.
Maybe I did.
Woo! We're still working on trying to get the middle hill pole has to be adjusted, so we got it above that when it goes down. But aside from that, we were just testing it out, and it seems like it's working. We've done some runs already. Here's Miss Katie. She was having a good time going down there a few times already, so thought we'd just give this thing a shot and see how she's working. Anyway, it looks pretty good.